Kapuso actress Bea Alonzo revealed that there still talks about a reunion project with John Lloyd Cruz. At the launch of Oppo Reno 11 5G and the Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G last Thursday, where she is the brand ambassador alongside Nadine Lustre. They asked Bea if she open to do a reunion project with John Lloyd. "Alam mo, lagi na siyang pinag-uusapan. It's always there," Bea said. "Parang hindi lang namin siya natututukan. Pero one day hopefully we chance upon sa good project na kaya naming tayaan ulit yung isa't isa," she added. Last December, Bea and John Lloyd had a brief reunion at Felipe Gozon's birthday. Bea met John Lloyd's girlfriend, artist Isabel Santos. Bea and John Lloyd have been one of the country's most popular love teams in the last 2 decades. Reaching the height of its popularity in the 2007 movie, One More Chance. The two have remained good friends even as they embarked on different romantic relationships.